This video is brought to you by Skillshare. It's hard to quantify just how much of an impact an artist's space has on their creativity. Every time I move into a new studio, it changes the things I produce in subtle ways and adds new inspiration. So now, as I move into my new studio, I'm hoping to create a space where my business and creativity can flourish. Today is moving day. Got the truck, got a whole crew of people. Oh shoot, here comes the shelf. Everybody say hey. You're like, shut up. For about a year, I've been running my merch and YouTube business out of my house, but I just rented 2 new commercial units. One of them will be my merch operation, and the other will be my new YouTube studio. Now it's time to get everything set up. Okay, we've been working so hard, I've been like forgetting to record, but right now I had an idea where I wanted to get like a ton of milk crates and basically build a wall of shelving units out of them. I ordered a pallet of 96 of these milk crates from a farming supply company, but building a massive shelving unit this way is a lot cheaper than buying regular shelving units from the store, and I think it looks pretty cool. All right, the new floors are in here, got carpet in the back, and then I just ripped out the old carpet in here and got some wood floors in here. Okay, now I'm gonna build some like sound blankets that are on these rolling stands that I got the idea from DSLR video shooter Caleb Pike. I watched like all of his videos. That's the next project, here we go. All right, these are my light stands. Oh, that's beefy. Screw that sucker in there. Wheel number 1, done. Wheel number 2, we through. Wheel number 3, complete. All right, that's my stand. Oh, yes. Let's see how tall this thing goes. And like 1 inch away from the ceiling. Perfect. Shout out to DSLR video shooter for coming up with this cool like DIY sound blanket stand hack. He's kind of always doing crazy things like this to make the life of a YouTuber a little bit easier. I left a link to his video down in the description. He's got a full step-by-step tutorial along with every single part that you're gonna need over on his channel if you're interested in doing these sound blankets too. Okay, and here are my sound panels. I'm gonna be standing like right here when I'm talking. Can you guys hear a difference at all? I can kind of hear one. Project complete, yes. Now it's time to start bringing in the studio desk, the art table, some of the sound panels, my little spray paint holder. This is the exciting moment. It's starting to feel real, ladies and gentlemen. Come on in, come on in. Right. You got something for me?
Yeah, it's pretty heavy, so let me bring it in and set it up.
So this is it. What do we got? What do we got?
You ready to see it?
I am so ready to see it.
All right.
Whoa! That's from the tree that fell in my yard?
That is from the tree.
I don't know if you guys are seeing this on camera, but it's like got all of these sweet like geometric cuts and it looks so beautiful. Man, that looks so awesome. Thank you so much.
Wait for it.
Oh! Bam. Oh! I got you something. Wait right here, wait right here. Very fancy wrapping paper. You were saying you were running out of hard drive space making your YouTube videos. I know you were using like thumb drives and stuff. So I got you a portable SSD.
Thanks, dude.
It's a little token of my appreciation for this amazing masterpiece of art. You guys, Austin, he's the guy who did the doghouse for Georgie. He's an architect who designed a doghouse for me. He started a YouTube channel not too long ago. He takes raw fallen logs and turns them into works of art. Are you making a video on this thing?
Yeah. I'm gonna have a video up for this, and I'm gonna make 2 more of these, and I'm gonna have them for sale.
Go check out the video, the making of this, and also if you want to get your hands on a sweet alien egg volcano magenta handmade sweet log light, I don't know, go check out his links or something. I'll leave links to all that stuff down in the description. Thank you so much, Austin.
Yeah, dude, thank you.
This is sick. Okay, I'm standing here in the dark because I wanted to show you guys my lighting setup. So I guess we'll start with the key light. Whoa, let there be light. And then I have a bounce light shooting into a big white panel. Turn on bounce light. Boom, there's that. Then we have my backlight over here. Then we got some glow going on behind me. And then there's the whole studio lighting, all the vibe lights that I installed. So let's check those out. Turn on studio vibe lights. Boom. So this is the shop that I've set up. Let me know what you guys think of the vibes in here. And I am just about to take you guys on a tour around the whole studio. But first I gotta let you know that this video is brought to you by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online community for creatives where millions come together to take the next steps in their creative journey. Skillshare offers thousands of classes on topics including design and painting, animation, video editing, all kinds of sweet stuff. If you wanna be an artist, they got classes for you. If you wanna be a designer, they got classes for you. If you wanna be a YouTuber, Skillshare got your back. You guys should definitely check out Script, Shoot, and Edit by MKBHD. You can take a class on YouTube from a gigantic YouTuber. It's curated specifically for learning, meaning there's no ads, and they're always launching new premium classes. You could take the lessons in bite-sized chunks on your own schedule, log in when you want, learn when you want. So what are you waiting for? You've got to learn some things. You gotta fill your head with knowledge all the time. Keep growing, keep moving forward, keep being creative. So here's the deal. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get 1 month free of Skillshare. Bro, you could take a hella classes in a month. That's awesome. First 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get 1 month free of Skillshare's premium membership. Go check it out. It's time to start exploring your creativity today. Thank you so much, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. Ooh, I want to show you guys around. Come on, let's go. All right, vlogger mode. Let's just walk around. First things first, I guess I'll show you what I see when I'm filming. This is my full-size 27-inch monitor. It's way better for getting focus and doing all that kind of stuff. This is like my main key light. It's a Godox SL60W. I got this newer softbox on there. This is an Amaran 100D mounted on the wall, shooting into this panel to make like a big soft reflector light. And then this guy is the light that's behind me. It's a newer light panel. But this guy's running off of batteries because when I shoot this way, I don't want the cable to just be like stretching across the room. So I got a big, bad, beefy boy battery for this bulbous bright boy. Organized my spray paints by color, made my spray paint so much easier to grab. Plus it looks cool on video. It's like you click on one of my videos, you're like, oh, look at that spray paint. That guy's an artist. He knows what's up. Got a little shelf for some of my favorite lenses. Just quick access, grab them. As you saw in my little lighting test, all the lights in here are voice activated, which is like super sick. Whenever I set up a shot, it takes me like so long. So I really wanted to be able to just turn on all my lights with my voice. When I have an idea, I want to be able to record it or draw it or paint it as quickly as possible with as little roadblocks in the way as possible. This is the one major piece of the studio that is not set up yet. I got a motorized uplift desk that's gonna kind of chill in the middle of the room here. Everything is here except for the actual tabletop part. This is a monitorizer from GroveMade. I think it's gonna go on my new uplift desk. GroveMade saw that I was moving into a new studio and they sent me a bunch of really, really sweet handmade in the USA stuff. Right now, this is kind of my main art desk. It's like a husky one you get from Home Depot. More stuff that GroveMade sent me, like a leather wrist rest, a leather mouse pad with a pen holder, leather coaster, got a freaking wood and felt iPad holder. These guys hooked me up. Links to all this stuff is down in the description. It is crazy good quality. This little stand right here is another idea that I got from Caleb Pike over at DSLR Video Shooter. It's got a light, it's got a microphone boom arm, and then this is a little tripod mount where I stick a camera when I'm filming myself at my desk, and it's all mounted on like one single pole. This thing is on wheels, so I can roll it away from the wall. One of my big things is being able to set up cameras 360 degrees around my desk. It makes filming my art projects a lot easier. You guys remember the chameleon piece I made out of like 10,000 pom-poms? It's hanging proudly right there. Not only does it look pretty cool, but it acts as like 2 giant acoustic panels. This is my new chair. Ooh, saucy. And this is the matching sofa from Polly and Bark. You gotta chill out sometimes. You work, work, work. You need a nice, comfy sofa to relax. Bro, you know I had to do it. You know I had to get the custom 1000 LED fake neon sign. Little poof. Enough said. This shelving unit is art supplies. Whatever you use the most, keep it close. Put that on a t-shirt. Here's a couple more shelving units of just cool stuff that I think is cool. Hand-carved Japanese masks. Sure. Zinc ball. Yes. Super cool Swedish candle holder. I'll take it. Everybody needs a good basket, and when in doubt, a random shark head just makes everything cooler. Walking into my studio like,
wow, this is crazy. It's a dream come true. My studio's dope. I'm so happy. Time to make some art.
and then walking back into the hallway, just some random mic cables hanging up here. That coat rack came in handy. Don't you worry, guys. We still got the super deluxe fish thermometer. Came with the unit. Couldn't take it down. Our little mini kitchen now features a microwave and a coffee machine. Swag. Over here is kind of the storage, tool, video supply, art supply room. Having tools like immediately at hand and organized is the best thing ever. I need a box cutter. Shazam! Oh, I need a hammer. Wow. There's our fridge. You know, I had to throw some googly eyes on there. Let me know down in the comments what we should name our fridge. Now that he has googly eyes, he needs a name. Oh, now we're gonna go into the edit room. Super chill, loungy vibes. And then this is the main spaceship workstation. It's a Samsung 49-inch ultra-wide monitor. I don't remember the model number. That's a little like editing controller. I don't use it for much, but when I make the animated sponsorships, we assign like the mouth movements to one of those knobs, so we like make the characters talk with like a little knob on there. This is another piece from Grove made. This is like a what are those things called? MagSafe chargers for your iPhone. Wood, leather, steel, freaking heavy as hell. They sent me a leather keyboard / mouse pad. That is so crazy awesome. Look at this. Grove made sent me this freaking headphone holder. Wood, leather, steel, quality craftsmanship. There's my computer. I built that. I painted that. There's a video about it. You can watch it. All right, and then this is the
New and improved merch side.
Oh, you guys want to see the finished milk crate shelving wall unit extraordinaire? We did freaking bolt this thing to the wall so that nobody dies in here. That's a very important part of being an employer, is making sure not to kill any employees. We have a couple employees in the house. Your boy Red.
Oh, dope.
And then we have the new guy, Nick. Nick, how long you been working here?
Like a month and a half.
Thanks for kicking ass, bro. Thanks for kicking ass to you too, Red. I'm not gonna leave you hanging. Oh, this is one of my favorite parts. I gotta show you guys this. This little button right here, when the employees push it, a chime goes off in my studio, so it means it's time for me to come over and sign prints. Bing bong. Bro, what's that on the computer screen? Is that your album cover?
Yeah, my
Bro,
fault, man.
he's getting the plug in the video.
Right
Yo,
on, man.
You guys want the rare gems, go search for Red Dig on YouTube. 2 Ds, 2 Gs for a double dose of that gangsta. Oh, I gotta cut it now. He's gonna copyright claim my video. He's trying to get his music in my video.
No, I wasn't.
Bro, you guys got all kinds of jokes over here. Printing out a little like and subscribe. Somebody's trying to get a raise around here.
Hey, for sure. In here, we got shipping tubes for sending out prints, because you never know when Pete's gonna drop something fresh.
And then in this room, we have a lot of our hoodies and outerwears. This is the t-shirt of the month shelf.
I'd say it's probably like the hottest drops we have every month, honestly. You never know what you're gonna get, but it's always something that looks good.
He's really just edging for that raise. Having more space is just more room to grow, more room for the business to flourish, and more opportunities to get awesome merch into you guys' hands. So I'm gonna jump back over to the YouTube side. I'll see you guys over there. Yes, well, you guys, this is the new YouTube studio. I am pretty hyped on how it's come together so far. It's still a work in progress, but I am so excited to start working on some projects in here. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the studio space. I'm gonna make some dope stuff in here for you guys, I promise. If you guys like this video, leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. Thank you so much to my patrons. You are the coolest people on the internet, patrons. I hope you know this. Check out my merch at 1000art.com. I'm 1000. I will see you guys on the next one in the new studio, son. Oh!